bit of a challenging job, big dead tree in a tricky spot. So lots of rigging. Luckily we had lots of hands on, made it a bit of a breeze, knocked that over yesterday. And then today, another little tricky tree down a bank, and growing over a fence. So again, a lot of little rigging, and then the wood was just a mixture of rigging with taglines and cut and throwing smaller pieces to manageable sizes. The guys really rallied around it, all hands on deck, and we got it done.
Driving the Avant is pretty good. I managed to put a lot less load on the boys and get the logs down with a bit of ease. It was an interesting one to use. Hadn't used that machine before, but quickly learned how she went and got the logs down, and yeah.